Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to turn on or turn off keyboard suggestions to show smart text suggestions in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on security and privacy. Now in security and privacy, scroll down and here click on more privacy settings and then click on scroll down and here click on Android system intelligence. Now in Android system intelligence, click on keyboard and here you will see a keyboard suggestions button. So if you want to turn off keyboard suggestions to show smart text suggestions, then turn off this button. And if you want to turn on keyboard suggestions to show smart text suggestions, then tap on this button again to turn it on. So with this button you can turn on or turn off keyboard suggestions to show smart text suggestions in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.